Hello everyone, I am Aditya Ranjan Jha. This is my DIY assignment 2. In this, I would be showing the 3D model of Jack Sparrow sword and its G-code generation. So this is the final model of the Captain Jack Sparrow sword. And firstly, I would be showing how did I create this. And secondly, I would show the preview of the 3D printing of the sword in the software Ultimaker Cura. So first I made this handle using the revolve feature. I created the outline sketch using B-spine curve and radius of curvature lines. And then I revolved this, make this handle. Then I added this padded part below the handle using the loft feature. I created one circle here, and lofted the 3 circles to complete the handle part. Next I added 2 cylinders here and here for the grooving slope in the handle. I created the outline sketch of the support of the handle and then padded it up to make this side support of the handle. Next I created this sketch and revolved it to form this highlighted part. Finally, to create the blade of the sword, I created a line here and used a B-spine curve here to make this outline sketch and then padded it to a very minimum height, that is 0.1 or 0.5 mm. Finally, I added this part by creating the outline sketch and padding it to give this. So finally the sword is ready, and next I colored it like the Jack Sparrow sword. So then I created the meshed form of the sword, and the meshes look like this, triangular in shape. And now since the sword was ready for 3D printing, I saved the STL form of this meshed form of the sword, imported it to Ultimaker Cura, laid it flat, and on the predefined settings, the slice time was showing as 1 day 13 hours, which is approximately 7 hours, which is quite a long time. So then I transformed few of the settings and thus reducing the time to 5 hours 39 minutes, which is relatively very low compared to that. For doing so, I decreased the infill density to 60%, lofted the profile from 0.1 to 0.2, that is a faster version, and allowed a draft version of this sword, which is like a prototype. So now we can see at different time steps how the sword is created using supports for the overhanging parts of the sword. Thus finally taking 5 hours 39 minutes and 105 grams of the material. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.